Hello guys, welcome to Productivity with Ola. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can create plan for your daily activities and track your goals using your smartphone. So let's dive into it. What you have to do is to go to your Play Store and download the app called Habit Tracker, and I've already downloaded mine. This is the interface. So when you open the interface, it shows that what time do you usually get up. So you have to set mine is 4 o'clock. So I've set it to be 4 o'clock. Then what time do you sleep? So we set it to be 23, which is 11 o'clock p.m. Then if you look at this very well, it says what's your target and live here, relief pressure, try new things, be more focused, better relationships, sleep better. You have to click everything. That's what I want to do for my own. Then everything like this you can create, see everything here. Sleep over 8 hours. These are the habits you want to track and the plan daily plan activities. So have a meal, drink 8 cup of water, they work out, a lot of like that. You can create your own first habits here, and I'll show you how to do that later. Then let's move to it to the, so you can create. So let's just create for now. Let me say within. So we have to wait till everything generates. Then after that, starts now. If you look at the interface, then this is the tutorial. You can skip the tutorial, but I will explain everything later. And today is 28, which is Monday, and this is the reading habit I've already created, which is I want to be reading every morning. And if I have to look at it very well, then let's edit this. The reading, I want it to be a more, you can see the icon, you can change the icon if you want it to be. And let me say, since I want to be reading, let me just change to book, and you can change the color whatever you want it to be, and you can still maintain the color if you want, depend. So every day, if you want to click every day, or you want it to be like once in a week, depending on how you want it to be, but I want mine to be every day and anytime. So since it's morning, I want it to be early in the morning, I want to be reading, and this is my goal. You have to on it to be repeat. Then how many times you want to repeat it, one or two, depending on how you want it to be. And if you go to the advanced setting here, you see reminder, then you have to click the reminder. And what time do you want it? So it will be like 4:20. So I'll set my reminder to be around let's say 4:10, just 10 minutes after. Then sound, you can choose any sound you want it to be, like anything depending on your how you want it to be, but I want my own to be bubble, so I make it to be bubble. You can go back, you can still put word of encouragement like, okay, with great power brings a lot of responsibility. So this is my own motivation. You can edit your own to be like that. Then dates, set it the date you want it to be and the days you want it to be, depending on how you want it to be. So you can just save it and save it, and you already create your daily plan. And you can also create another one, which you can do that yourself. For more afternoon, you can create plan for afternoon, you can create plan for evening also. And there's one thing about this: if you complete this habit in the morning, now you can just press finish. If you finish the habits, and everything will be okay. Then here also you can see the journey, which is depending on the daily plan you want for yourself. This is work every day for health, which is 30 days. We have another one, which is energy boosting morning, then keep fit at office, and depend on everything. Then bedtime, which these are a lot of habits you can do for yourself, and you can also edit everything as you want it to be. And if you see this very well, you can change and start the journey. Although this app for all these are premium, but you can create your own, which will not be premium, and you can do that yourself. I hope you learn how to create your habits right now. And if you find these tips to be more educative, like, shares, and subscribe, follow for more.